Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Going forward in the Outlook integration series, today we are going to see how we can create a sales credit memo from the Business Central add-in in Outlook. First, we will go to Contact Insights. Here we will click on the new option and select Sales Credit Memo to create a new credit memo. Here we will fill in the details in the General Fast tab. Then we will go to More options and select the Get Posted Document Lines to Reverse option. A new page will open. Here we will see the posted sales invoices for the customer. Here you can click on the posted sales invoice that you want to reverse. The details will be auto-filled in the Lines section on the credit memo. You can scroll right on the lines and check if the details auto-filled are correct. Then we have to click on More options again and click on the Post option to post the credit memo. The sales credit memo has been posted. You can also view the posted sales credit memo. We have one sales document left, which is reminders, that we will cover in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Do like, share and comment on the video. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the new updates. Thank you for watching.